It's windy, storm blowing in. You're coming back over here for another update on the Clayton house. He's around somewhere. There he is over there, making the journey. They are inching ever closer to moving day. Woo! Got in, found the homeowners. We are painted over here, and they got some fixtures up. So you got your fan in the living room area. You got your little dining chandelier. It may not look all that painted, but it is. It's like egg white. I don't know how well it's gonna show on the video comparative to the primer that was sprayed previously in the mud, but looking good, dudes. She's been over here working. It's all cleaned up kind of now. Woo-hoo. Fancy fan thingy in the office. How many of the Amazon things turned out? You got the big can light. Oh, I like that one. Does that work? Oh, it does work. Look at that. Got the makings of some bathrooms here. Ooh, and that has a fan in it too. A little exhaust fan. Anything go up in here? Nope, we just got a light bulb in the tub for the master. There was stuff missing for the fan in here, so that's getting reordered from the Amazon. Brittany's in here working, getting the shower head on. That's the rain shower function. The body jets are going in. I'm gonna get her some tools to finish out here in a bit. Garrett, the expert painter, forgot to tape off the floor and sprayed the entire wood floor tile stuff. So that's all gotta be wiped with mineral spirits now, apparently. Brittany's real excited about it. How excited are you about that? Wiping down all that wood tile. Look at it though.
Ooh, look at you.
Yeah, I really like it.
Got the escutcheon and everything. I love it. This was
putting in work.
This was a heated debate in my mind for a long time, but I ended up going with cheaper metal, like fixtures like this.
Really?
Like you can spend $800 on this if you buy it from like the same manufacturer that makes the valves.
Really?
Or you can spend $40.
Yeah.
And then I can buy 20. So you know whatever the number is.
I think what you really want is those. Did you get the high pressure kind? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the high pressure shower heads are awesome. Oh, do they tilt?
Yeah.
I didn't realize they were tilty.
They tilt, and look, these are different manufacturers, but I feel like the matching worked out.
Oh, it worked out perfect. Yeah.
There was some worry in my head too about mixing square and circle fixtures, but I figured these squares, because it's its own like thing, would be fine.
Yes. What goes up there?
The handle.
Hand shower. So like.
Oh, like a wand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that makes more sense.
Well,
Dude, it's so echoey in here. Echo, echo, echo.
we do need that.
Hey, look, you can see the color line here. Nice. So that's close. It's just a nice off-white, and I like it. I like the fixtures. I like all the stuff. So, what's up next? You're putting in the plumbing, the little bathroom fixtures, get the doors going, I guess, and then some trim work and cabinets. Come on. Hey, we get to come back over here and work again. I don't know if that's exciting or not exciting. I guess it depends on who you ask.
But I stick to my rule.
What's your rule?
No beer.
Oh, then I quit.
Okay.
And I'm out.
I don't need stuff.